NBC 10 is taking a closer look at the issues impacting local communities like yours in our segment called Community Close-Up.
Yeah, we're speaking with local journalists from newspapers and online publications. And today we are joined by Allie from Independent. All right, thank you for being here, Allie.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, it's great here. We have some questions for you, but anyone who's not familiar with Rhode Island Independent, let's take a quick look. Independent RI covers Narragansett, North Kingstown, and South Kingstown. This is the website right there. The name is fitting because it is an independent publication.
All right, first of all, let us talk about the blizzard. How did these areas fare during the storm, Allie?
Well, surprisingly well.
Oh, good.
I know that you know, it's scary seeing some of the forecasts coming in. Originally, with a lot of us remember the blizzard of '78 and just how much snow that was and how cars were left on the roads, and it was a disaster, frankly. But despite the larger snow totals, even in North Kingstown where they got 36 inches, things were handled much better, I think.
And they had some power outages, especially in North Kingstown.
Yep, they had a ton of power outages, but actually what I learned was, and from looking on Facebook as well, a lot of power was back on within 24 hours, which beat out a lot of what the state expected. So it really was a great response, just all around.
Yeah, 3 feet of snow, but they cleaned it up fast.
We have more areas to put that snow than they do in the city. I also want to talk about school construction because it's pretty busy in your viewing area right now. South Kingstown is building a new high school. North Kingstown is building a new middle school. Where do these projects stand, and is the funding still behind it?
Yeah, the funding definitely is still behind it, just because, you know, $150 million for South Kingstown High School,
Wow.
part of that bond project. That also covers the Curtis Corder Middle School project as well. But I think what's important to remember for taxpayers, longtime residents, is that we're still these projects are they're significant.
Investments, right? They're big investments.
Big investments.
But they have to realize what the outcome is, right? Because I'm assuming some of the infrastructure already is kind of deteriorating.
Yeah, I think that South Kingstown High School is 70 years old, so this is going to be a big change for them.
1950s, and the layout is a little bit wonky as well. But these projects are significant reimbursement is basically the term for it, and RIDE. There's certain policies that RIDE looks into when people are actually building these new schools. So as long as they actually follow them.
It's like a checkoff list, right?
Yeah,
like
exactly.
A bucket list where they have to meet certain criteria.
Exactly.
Yeah, and I think that middle school might have gone a little bit over what it is going to be reimbursed, so that's a big issue there too.
Right, yeah. But if all goes well, South Kingstown alone will actually be eligible for $55 million in total.
That's good.
So and the town council approved a $114 million dollars for the budget. The budget. So.
That's going to be awesome. And I think it's going to be great to see the actual buildings like we did in Central Falls yesterday, too.
I've been able to walk by it a lot, just from my walking route. So it's been interesting to see it coming together with, like, you know, the steel above ground construction. I was at the groundbreaking on October 4th, and we'll see where it leads and what the final product actually is.
State of the art. It's going to be wonderful.
We'll be following your reporting, Allie. Thank you so much for spending some time with us this afternoon. We appreciate it.
Thanks, Allie.